Netflix is leveling up your gaming world, and soon your avatar will follow you everywhere. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech news. Netflix has just bought Ready Player Me, giving gamers the power to create personalized avatars that can travel across Netflix's growing collection of games. Imagine making a digital you and carrying that identity from a puzzle challenge to a soccer showdown, all while staying fully in your Netflix universe. Netflix says it will use Ready Player Me's tools and infrastructure to make cross-game avatars that are fun and engaging, letting players bring their personalities and fandoms to life in multiple titles. While no launch date has been announced, it's a major step in Netflix's 4-year journey into gaming. As part of the deal, Ready Player Me's services will shut down on January 31st, 2026. The platform, trusted by over 25,000 developers, has helped creators offer highly personalized avatars to boost player engagement. Around 20 Ready Player Me employees, including co-founder and CTO Rainer Selvit, will join Netflix, though most of the original founding team will not. Netflix is expanding its gaming empire under Elaine Taskin, who joined as president of games in 2024 after leaving Epic Games. The company is focusing on party games, narrative titles, kids games, and mainstream hits, but with Ready Player Me now under its belt, Netflix is turning its games division into a fully immersive playground. Are you ready to welcome your Netflix persona? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.